The East African community needs to develop as an integrated whole. United we stand, but divided we fall and fail. Each country has freely chosen to join the East African community, but as soon as we become a state member, their responsibilities we have to assume together. Differences do exist depending on our cultures and history. But as East African community member states, we have to try and find a common ground on development issues. This is a make or break. The heads of state and the government of the region have made it clear during the 18th East African Community Culinary Summit that the East Africa community is one and the same family, and subsequently advocated for the respect of this reality. Burundi is very grateful for this advocacy and for the strong support and the commitment to peace and stability in Burundi by the countries of this community.